So what is the difference between 812s built in 2019 and before and 2020 and afterwards? Basically, it's really simple. When the cars first launched, they did not have GPFs, which are the gasoline particulate filters. So if you have a superfast from 2017 to 2019, you don't have the GPF. If you have a superfast from 2020 onwards, then you have the GPF. So any 812 GTS, any 812 Competizione has the GPF. And that just means we need to approach the exhaust recommendation slightly differently. You have to do a full system because you need the sport cats to remove the GPF.